This is my newly acquired Poulan chainsaw. Picked it up off of Craigslist. I like these old green Poulans, built before they started making them a lot cheaper. It is a Super 25 DA, automatic oiling with manual override. This model was first built in the early to mid 70s, I'd say. I would place this mid to late 70s. 38cc saw. Most of them I've seen have a shorter bar. This looks to have about a 16-inch bar on it. As you can see, it is exactly the way I picked it up. I paid $30 for it. The guy said he had it serviced about a year ago, but then he couldn't get it to crank. Well, the gas smelled like varnish. I dumped the gas out, put some fresh gas in it. She popped right off. The only thing I've done is tightened the chain up, took a file to it a little bit. A lot of people will refer to this. He told me it was a Super 250. If you looked at the script, it's actually a DA, 25 DA. And I've also seen another video on YouTube where they call it the XXV, but you know what? It's all the same thing, Roman numerals or not. The only thing it really needs is an air filter. It's missing the foam out of the air filter element. Anyway. But anyhow, for $30, I don't think I went wrong with the thing. Did a little bit of research on the whatnot on a couple of sites, and apparently this was a really popular limbing saw with the arborists back in the day, back before pretty much everybody started building junk. So anyhow, I'm going to fire it up and do a little bit of cutting here if I can find a good place to set this camera. We're not getting the bad reflection off that shed there. Ah, yeah, you can tell I'm an amateur photographer here, huh? Alright, there we go. Always cheap beer when you're operating a chainsaw. Natural Light, hey, Jamie Johnson, can koozie. Not bad for a $30 Craigslist saw. This is some red oak. It was cut live by my neighbor, had a tree taken out back last October. Fairly dry. Anyway, for $30, I think she's a keeper. What do you think?